Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. So let's begin on it. So firstly you just need to open on your Instagram profile. So here you can see I just open my Instagram apps. Now if I open this profile, so I just go on followers. Here you can see I can see every followers, and if I go on following section I can see every following friends. So if you want to hide this kind of following and followers list from publicly and no one can see your following and followers list, what should you do? You just go on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now click on the top right corner three line menu bar icon. Now go on settings, and now you need to go on privacy. What should you do? You just need to enable this option. If your account is not private, make sure your Instagram account is private. So for that, just enable this option, then switch to private. Here you can see now my private account already enabled. My Instagram account is private. Now no one can see my following and followers list, and in this way you can hide your Instagram following and followers list. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.